How to enable colorblind mode in Dream League Soccer 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to enable the colorblind mode in Dream League Soccer. So let's get started. First things first, launch open the Dream League Soccer game on your device, and once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top left corner. Once you are inside this page, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Display. Inside Display, at the very bottom, you'll see Color Blind Mode option. Tap the arrow right next to it to turn on the color blind mode. Just make sure that it is leveled as on. Finally, after you do that, you can head back to the home screen and start a game. And that's how you turn on the color blind mode in Dream League Soccer 2026. Now your gameplay should feel much more comfortable and visually clear. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.